Hello, and welcome to Panel Spec 3. This video will go over the more advanced features of our new plate building software and how to get the most out of Panel Spec 3. Picking up where we left off in our previous video, we have the original plate that we designed. But what if we want to add a second plate to our order without creating a new project? In Panel Spec 3, this is now possible. To create a second plate in this project, click on the Project tab on the left side of the page, and then click on the Drawings tab. Here you will see any plates you have already created in this project. Now let's add another by clicking on the green Add Layout with Labels button. Fill in the appropriate details before pressing OK. For this plate, we are going to make a simple one-gang plate with two connectors. We are going to fast forward through this process, so if you would like to go into the plate design process in more detail, please go and watch the first part of this tutorial. Now that you've designed a second plate, maybe you want to make a change to your first plate's design. With Panel Spec 3's multitasking capabilities, this is now easier than ever. To make changes to any of the other plates in your project, simply click on that plate's tab and you will be able to make adjustments to any and all of your plates. Let's add another Cat6a port to our first panel. And then change the label on the USB connector for our second panel. Now, if we go back to our list of drawings, we can see both of the plates that we've created. If you require more than one of a specific plate, you can specify their quantities here by adjusting the number in the quantity column for each plate and pressing Enter to save the value. For this project, we are going to order 25 of our 1-gang plates and 5 of our 2-gang plates. The DWG tab below the Drawings tab on the left side of the page will take you to the download page for each of your plate's DWG drawing files. This tab will only be visible to you if you request access to it by contacting our sales team. To download your files, simply check the box for each plate you wish to download, or click Select All, and then click the green Download DWG button to receive your drawing files. If we click on the Reports tab, we can see that both of our plates and their quantities are reflected in our project's quote. Here, the unit price shows the cost of each individual plate, while the total on the right shows the combined cost of all of the plates of that type. The grand total can be found at the bottom of the list of prices. If we click through the pages of our quote, we can also see that both plates are visually displayed on their own pages, along with their components listed below. Now, you've probably noticed that there is another tab at the bottom of the list on the left side of the page, labeled Users. Within this tab, you are able to invite other users to collaborate with you on your design projects. Anyone included on the list of users in this tab can both create and edit designs, as well as obtain quote reports for this project. Let's go ahead and invite another user to this project using their account email address. Keep in mind that the user you invite must already have a Panel Spec 3 account, otherwise they will not be able to be added. Once the new user has been added, you also have the option to make them a project admin, which will allow them to add more users and have full control over the project just like you. And with that, you now know some of the more advanced features of Panel Spec 3. If you haven't already, please go and check out part 1 of this tutorial that goes over the plate design process and other core features of the software to get a full understanding of Panel Spec 3. Thank you for watching.